In question 15, we're given the following diagram here, and we're told that it shows part of the circulatory system. So we can see we have the liver, stomach and intestines, and kidney as the main organs here. We have blood pathways going into them, blood pathways going out, and some labels on various blood vessels from 1 to 5. We're then given this table here, with the columns representing the highest concentration of glucose, urea, and the lowest concentration of oxygen, and we're asked to work out which row identifies the blood vessels after a carbohydrate-rich meal. So, after we have a carbohydrate-rich meal, which of these descriptions will coincide with the labels? Let's start with the highest concentration of glucose. Now, after we've had this carbohydrate-rich meal, the way that the glucose within this carbohydrate-rich meal will enter the blood circulation to supply the cells with energy, that will happen by the stomach and intestines reabsorbing this glucose and entering the stomach and intestine circulation, which is the portal system represented by the transfer of vessel 2 from the stomach and intestines into the liver, where toxins and other substances are removed and processed, and then this blood can be returned to systemic circulation. So the highest concentration of glucose will be in the portal circulation from the stomach and intestines, which reabsorb the glucose into the liver. So we can say that our answer to the first column is 2, so that gives us C and E as our potential rows. We can eliminate the others. Let's move on to the highest concentration of urea. So urea itself is produced in the liver, where more toxic compounds are converted into urea, for instance ammonium, and that enables nitrogenous compounds to be circulated in the general circulation and then ultimately excreted in the kidneys. So the highest concentration will be from the source of urea, which is the liver transferring the urea into systemic circulation via vessel 3. So vessel 3 is our answer, and so we can immediately see our answer must be option E out of our options C and E, because option C refers again to the hepatic portal system, which is even before urea has been synthesized. Moving on to the lowest concentration of oxygen, well, we can say that 3, which is the option corresponding to row E, which we think our answer is likely to be the correct answer, because this blood has passed not only through the stomach and intestines, but also the portal system between the stomach and intestines and the liver, and then on to the systemic circulation. So there are 2 organs which this blood has passed through, and therefore we can speculate that it would have the lowest concentration of oxygen out of the vessels shown here. So we can say our answer is option E.